Hello everyone, welcome back to Moments with Lorraine. I'm bringing you the 17-piece Home Hero Professional Knife Set. We figured it was about time to buy some new knives, so we went with the Home Hero Knife Set because it had the best and the most reviews on Amazon. Quick disclaimer, I am not being paid to bring you these knives. If you like these knives, please leave your comments below and let me know what you think. Also, please share and subscribe, and all of you stay safe and take care.